Welcome to Quantitative Chemistry, the mathematical engine room of the subject. Here we use the mole concept to determine exactly how much product a reaction will make. Mastering these calculations is essential, as they account for a significant proportion of the marks across all your chemistry exam papers. In this video, we'll explore relative formula mass, the mole, Avogadro's constant, limiting reactants, percentage yield, and atom economy. Let's dive in. Let's map out the core concepts. At the centre is the mole, connecting mass via relative formula mass. Avogadro's constant tells us how many particles are in a mole. Limiting reactants determine how much product we can make. Percentage yield compares actual to theoretical yield, and atom economy measures how efficiently we use atoms. These ideas are all linked. Let's calculate the relative formula mass of magnesium nitrate, MrCnO3.2. First, identify the number of each atom, 1 magnesium, 2 nitrogen, and 6 oxygen. Multiply each by its atomic mass, magnesium 24, nitrogen 14, oxygen 16. Sum them. 24 plus 28 plus 96 equals 148, so the mixture is 148. This value is key for mole calculations. The mole triangle is your best friend. To find moles, divide mass by Mr to find mass, multiply moles by Mr to find Mr, divide mass by moles. For example, calculate the number of moles in 4.0 grams of oxygen gas, O2. First, Mr of O2 is 32, then moles, conjugate at 4.0, 30 nu equals 0.125 moles. That's 0.125 times Avogadro's constant particles. Let's work through a 6-mark question. We have 10.0 G of calcium carbonate reacting with excess HCl. First, write the balanced equation. Calculate moles of KCO3. Mr is 100, so moles 10 on G, 100, are 0 day, 100. From the equation, 1 mole of KCO3 gives 1 mole of CO2, so moles CO2 for 0.100. Mass CO2 for 0.100 on 44, 440, agree. That's the theoretical yield. If only 3.5 G is obtained, percentage yield, 3 by 5, 4.40, 100 moles, almost 79.5%. Always show you're working. Watch out for these common mistakes. Always check you've counted all atoms correctly in Mr. Remember that oxygen gas is O2, so Mr is 32, not 16. Use the mole triangle to avoid mixing up mass and moles. Always balance the equation first, and for concentration calculations, convert volume to dm3 by dividing by 1000. These tips will save you marks. To recap, relative formula mass is the sum of atomic masses. Moles connect mass, and Mr. Avogadro's constant gives the number of particles per mole. The limiting reactant controls how much product forms. Percentage yield compares actual to theoretical, and atom economy measures efficiency. Master these calculations, and you'll ace your exams. Keep practicing.